here
TV.
is the TV film.
Yeah. So that's the makers.
Then I have blue
something
flat
black
top case
in the
there.
middle. Then you had, was it yellow?
Yellow. And then one from ours of a similar period, and you can have the wig. And potentially that could change, but for now, then we'll have accessories from our collection, potentially bodies.
And are they relating to Gabby?
To Gabby,
Yeah,
so we'll do it at the similar time period.
Yeah.
They relate to that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's, yeah.
Maple. And are we also thinking some
of ours.
Tom?
Yeah, potentially Tom.
So I'm just thinking now, because you've set that aside for workshop, you haven't resolved it, we're short on time. What if we, just for this version, put Tom Pie in there?
Yeah.
And then see how the rest of it works out, and then we work out, do we need to be bothered about workshop?
So that bit of Tom Pie is just on the film.
So that's just his film. So if you did him in there,
so you wouldn't need him out here.
no, so you'd have more space.
Which to me makes a little bit more sense than trying to
Mix it up
incorporate
a
him
bit.
into that.
Yeah, because I know,
Those were the bits of the stage. That's where they originally came from. So it doesn't fill the whole thing, but you get most of it. And then in here, we can just use. We've got loads of these blocks.
So maybe thinking about activities, we've got something in there that's about looking, and we might want something which is about looking and drawing, and then if we've got something that's about looking and making, which might be the pattern pieces, or it might be, like I was saying, something where you're trying different trim or different decoration. That's getting us towards resolving the three kind of activity things. So then, in Manchester, that drawing thing, it's a big thing, it takes up a lot of space, but I'm just wondering if we could do something similar, but on a smaller scale, where you have some objects on a table, and you have just a few chairs around a table and some drawing materials, and people can sit and draw.
If you had a mannequin, but you had various pattern pieces to put on it, some of them would fit with others. And you could say patterns A and pattern B will go together, and you've got a front and a back, and you've got to go on the shoulders, and you've got to go down the side, and it fits the form. But pattern C and D achieves the same thing, but the seams are in a different place.
And so if there's a way of linking that to the garments by showing flat pattern drafting, that would make sense. I like that idea of a comparative thing and different shapes. So maybe there's something in here about pattern making and drafting.
There's three activities there. There's like look, draw, make. I think we are clearly, in terms of the spectrum of people doing it, we are focused on like the professionals and the top end of it.
What I'm also very conscious of is we're focused on people who make things, not buy things. A lot of people and a lot of steampunk and things.
They'll use vintage.
They're buying stuff. And a lot of the kind of people that you see online, you know, they're using it to promote a business for vintage fashions, and they dress up that way, and that's fine. But that's a different thing, really, to what we're saying.
Yes, we're not making.
They're not going to a museum collection, looking and making. They're just going on eBay and enjoying, you know, wearing
so it's
stuff
outside
from the 20s.
I mean, the way you could include them if you wanted to would be through events-based work, which is also where you could bring in the more kind of hobbyist stuff as well. So you could say that you're doing this this kind of foundational work with these kinds of makers, and you can involve the other people through, you know, a steampunk day or having a space where local makers can come in every fortnight or something. And you can involve that.
And I think that's then where you may be able to get them interested in looking at museum collections in that way.